Okay guys, okay, nandito na naman si Sir Jebby guys para magbigay tayo ng bagong kaalaman guys sa ating mga students. Okay, but before natin ito simulan guys, pwede bang pakihingi ng like and support and share this video guys para marami tayong matulungan ng mga students. Alright? Okay, simulan na natin Sir Jebby. So ito, mayroon tayong problem na y is equal to e raised to 2x. Ito yung equation natin. So ang hinahanap natin dito Sir Jebby, so we need to find the derivative of y is equal to e raised to 2x with respect to x. So, meron tayong e function. Okay, we have e function. So, what shall we do now, Sir Jebby? So, let us remember the basic properties of e function. Let us say we have y is equal to e raised to x. Follow? Then, to get the derivative, this one, so dy dx over dx. Then, i-copy lang natin ito. Okay, follow? Then, i-multiply natin sa derivative ng x, which is the exponent. Alright? So, derivative ng x is 1. So, therefore, ang derivative ng e raised to x is simply the same as e raised to x. Alright? Kapag e-function, yan yung ating property. Kukunin natin yung derivative ng exponent, then i-multiply lang natin. So, dito, mayroon tayong y is equal to e raised to 2x. So, with respect to x, so dy dx. Alright? Una, i-copy lang natin yan. E raised to x, just copy the given. Then, multiply the derivative of 2x, which is the exponent. So, derivative ng 2x is simply 2. So, we can still simplify this one. So, multiply, meron tayong 1 dito. So, multiply lang natin yan. 2 times 1. So, we have the final answer now. So, 2 times 1 is 2. So, we have e raised to 2x. I hope meron tayong nadagdag na kalaman sa ating mga students. Alright? Shake.